In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up sales tax for Shopify sellers. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find Shopify's tax settings and how to review the built-in options for sales tax apps so you can choose the right compliance partner for your store. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin on desktop. From your dashboard, look down to the bottom left and open Settings. This is your control room for everything behind the scenes. Inside Settings, use the search field at the top to quickly surface what you need. Start typing tax, and Shopify will highlight the relevant areas so you don't have to dig through menus. Select Sales Tax Apps from the results to jump straight into the Taxes and Duties section. Here, you'll see the tools Shopify provides to help manage tax calculation and compliance. Next, move into the Tax Regions area. This page shows the countries or states where your store may be required to collect sales tax. It's useful context because your obligations often depend on where you sell and ship. Click Manage next to your region to view available controls. Since we're focusing on automating compliance, switch over to the Apps section within Taxes and Duties. This is where Shopify lists vetted tax partners that integrate directly with checkout to calculate the right rates and, depending on your plan, help with reporting or even filings. Open Avalara Tax Compliance to review its details. Take a moment to scan the overview, supported regions, and any prerequisites, such as product tax codes or nexus settings your accountant may have advised you to maintain. Go back to the list, then click Avalara Tax Compliance again if you want to double-check features or pricing notes, so you're clear on what's included. Now, open Vertex Tax and Compliance to compare. Read the summary, see which jurisdictions it covers, and understand how it plugs into your existing workflow. Head back, then revisit Avalara Tax Compliance once more to contrast anything you just learned. Sometimes seeing both side by side helps you decide which best fits your catalog and growth plans. Finally, click Vertex Tax and Compliance again to complete your review and confirm the option you prefer. That's the full navigation flow. Find Settings, use the search to highlight taxes, open Sales Tax Apps, check your tax regions for context, choose Manage, head into Apps, and review Avalara and Vertex until you're confident in a direction. A quick tip before you proceed. Sales tax rules vary by location and product type, so it's wise to confirm your obligations with a qualified tax professional and follow the app's onboarding guide when you're ready.